Indian Design Group started in the year 1993 and today it is one of the largest vendors of apparels. There are 16 modern self-contained manufacturing units with the state-of-art sewing facilities owned by ADPL along with the 6,000 plus machines to handle all types of sewing operations and a workforce of 15,000 plus people, and it is growing. We are pleased to mention that today the production capacity is more than 2 million pieces per month. It is our mission to be one of the best managed apparel companies, maintaining the highest standards in all that we do. Like I said, with the 16 production units and an immense amount of apparels being produced, we required an integrated solution to manage various manufacturing processes which are fully interfaced with finance. A single view for all the facilities was required so that we have total control over all our inventories. There was also the question of expansion. Before we wanted to expand more, we wanted integrated solutions in place which can help us centralize all processes while giving autonomy to a different processes. We were in talks with a lot of vendors before we finalized Sage ERP. Before selecting Sage ERP, we were using the standalone solutions like Tally and FastTrack. But we were steadily outgrowing of them as these solutions were not integrated to our other solutions, and hence a lot of duplicability of work was happened. This ultimately led to an impact on decision making and forecasting. Sage Apparel CRP was considered as it takes care of order-based merchandising, procurement, production and its related exim management in a professional way. Along with bringing all our facilities on the same platform, the report generation was easy and all other modules like finance, purchase, inventory, etc. can be managed from a single window. From the management and employees front, there is a lot of time which is saved and papers. Invoices and communications is moved much faster. A couple of software solutions like SAP and QuickBooks were reviewed, and finally Sage Apparel CRP was chosen. We choose Sage Software and their partner ID Business in India as they have a team which is well aware with the way the apparel industry functions and could give us the exact solutions that we needed. This saved a lot of time to explain the complexity of our industry, and we could close the deal and implement the same faster. We started using Sage Apparel CRP solutions, finance and SM models in the year 2007, and subsequently other models like merchandising, RM processing, production planning and exim management were implemented phase-wise. At present, all our 16 manufacturing units spread across different geographical areas were managed by solutions provided by Sage Apparel ERP in a very smooth manner. Sage, along with their partner ID Business Solutions, ensured good support during and post implementation. We appreciate their efforts. The training was done methodically and professionally. The biggest advantage was that the team understood our industry and hence we could connect with them a lot faster. Five steps that was kept in the mind for the solutions to be success: proper infrastructure, data preparation, implementation planning and regular review from stakeholders, proper user training, post-life support. Benefits derived from the product are easily available updated information, accurate data, single point integrated solutions up to financials, centralized production planning and management. In the terms of user acceptance, as it is user-friendly solution, it was well accepted by the users, and this is the reason we started with 10 users license and now grown up to 125 users license, and even customers are extremely happy as the requirements were taken care in agreed time. And since the communication flowed between all teams easily, the respective departments would know about the customer before talking with him. This added a plus point to our services. It is much more secure as compared to the old system used, as it is built on the advanced technology with foolproof user access control, and it provides automated updates based on the actual process. Apart from the security, there is also a scalability the solutions provide. Hence, we are not much worried for expansion now, as the system will grow along with our company.